Ever wonder what essential oils you can take to curb those sugar cravings and hopefully speed up your weight loss? Well, I have 3 of them coming up. Hey everyone, Jen here from At Home with Jen, and I have 3 essential oils that I'm going to go through that can help you crave those sugar cravings and possibly boost your weight loss. So the first one up is going to be grapefruit. So grapefruit is one that's pretty much been known that it can help aid in weight loss. It contains a lot of antioxidants. It contains cleansing properties, and it also supports the lymphatic and circulatory system. So this is a great one. So peppermint, and I'm going to go through different ways how you can use them. Right now I'm just going to name the 3 of them. So the second one up is peppermint. So peppermint is great for your gastral system. It's awesome for your digestive system. It promotes healthy bowel function, healthy gut function, and it also supports normal digestion, which is really great. And the third one is lemon. So lemon offers immune support. It also has antioxidant properties, and it provides circulatory support and also has cleansing properties. So you'll see that a lot of these kind of cross over. Antioxidants is a big key. That's always a great one to help a lot of your body systems. So I want to take just a minute to talk about safety. So I'm actually going to be talking about ingesting oils. So I want to make sure that you are properly using the oils. I use the brand Young Living, and they have, as you can see from these labels, a line called Vitality, which means they are labeled for internal use. Please do not use these tips that I have with the cheaper oils from like Target or Michael's. They will not say labeled for internal use. So make sure if you're using a different brand from Young Living that it actually says on the label that it's okay to ingest it. Because if you do one of the other ones, they usually have something mixed in with them and it will make you sick. It's not going to help you, which is the total opposite of what we're trying to do. So one of the key things that taking essential oils and aiding weight loss is that it helps you detox. We, as Americans, really have a lot of exposure to toxins in many different avenues. The food, the cleaners we use, just the air that we breathe. So I know a lot of people do those big 7-day detox or 30-day detox, whatever. To be honest, we really need to be detoxing every single day, and it's not as hard or as scary as you think. It's just basically taking different supplements and different things that you can do to help in that detox and help us filter all this crap out. Because a lot of times you can exercise to you're like blue in the face, you can eat right, but you're still not losing the weight. And a lot of times that's because of the toxins that are built up in your body. So essential oils kind of help flush that out, along with some of the other things that I have some tips. So first tip, obviously we need to drink water. So you might as well go ahead, add some of the essential oils to the water. Drinking more water obviously helps flush out a lot of toxins, and then the oils actually aid in that, plus they give it a little bit of flavor. So one of the things I like to do, I got myself SodaStream, which if you haven't heard of those, it's just basically it makes carbonated water. And so instead of using their flavorings, I just flavor with essential oils. So you get a bonus. You get, some flavored water that's good to drink, and you're also getting the added benefits of the oils. So you can do 1 drop of each of these in your water. So you got 1 drop of the grapefruit, lemon, and peppermint, or you can just do one of them if that's too much for you. Either way, easy peasy, totally easy. You can also, if you want to give it just an extra little boost, take a pinch of pink Himalayan salt. Not regular iodized table salt. That's not good. But the pink Himalayan salt has a lot of trace minerals in it, so that will help with your detoxing also. So you could also create Vitality infused ice cubes. And then take those ice cubes and put them in your smoothie or your afternoon shake or whatever you're doing. So basically just take a set of ice cube trays, just kind of put a couple drops in them, freeze them, and then you can use them to make your smoothies. So another great easy tip. One of the things you can do during the day, you can just take one drop and put it on your tongue. You may not want to do that with the peppermint though, because the peppermint's kind of strong, but the lemon and the grapefruit are very easy for that. That kind of helps curb some of your cravings. It just kind of takes a little bit of the sensation away. Another thing is, I've had people tell me that they will they'll take the wrist and then just put a drop of essential oil on the wrist, and that kind of helps calm the craving too. So that's something to try. The other thing is you can add these to your favorite marinades or your salad dressings. The lemon is great in a salad dressing, like a lemon basil, really, really great. Just put a little bit of grapeseed oil or olive oil, a couple drops of the lemon oil, and you can kind of crush up the basil, or if you have it, you can use basil essential oil too. And it just makes a really nice salad dressing. The other thing you can do is put a drop in your tea. You know, if you have an afternoon tea, like a herbal tea, whatever, you can kind of cheat and you can grab an empty, like 15 milliliter bottle and put equal amounts of the lemon, peppermint, and grapefruit in that bottle, and then you have it already mixed up and ready to go. So the other thing you can do is, and I didn't grab one, is you can make little veggie caps and take supplements. So the little veggie caps, they're just like the little tiny not plastic, the little tiny capsules. So I would just put, like 2 drops of the grapefruit, 1 drop of lemon, 1 drop of peppermint, and then fill the rest with a grapeseed oil or an olive oil. And then you could just take it as a supplement each day. So that will help, it helps detox a little bit faster and helps speed up your metabolism a little bit too. So that's a great way. The other thing, if you are a Young Living member already, you can use their Sleek line. So they have a Sleek essential oil. I think it's just a supplement. Yeah, essential oil supplement. So this is already mixed. It's got the grapefruit, tangerine, spearmint, lemon, actea, and stevia in it. So you can use that and put that in your drinks if you don't want to do with this, with the 3 of them. So that's how it is. Let me know in the comments below, how are you using essential oils to curb your cravings or speed up your weight loss? I would love to have other inspiration so I can use them too. I know there's a ton of them. There's a ton of different oils. I know cinnamon is another one to look into to help speed that up. So if you do like this and you want to find out more videos like this, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.